In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to share your WhatsApp link. If you want to share it on any platform, whether you're trying to direct your customers to your WhatsApp chat or any other reason, let me show you how you can find and share your WhatsApp link. Let's head over to WhatsApp first, and then from here tap on the three dots on the top right. From this menu, you just need to head over to settings, and once you're in the settings section, the first thing that you see is your name. Tap on the QR code option that you see on the right hand side, and it's going to show you the QR code of your WhatsApp. Now either you can also screenshot this QR code, and when someone scans it, they will be directed to your chat. But if you want to share the link, you'll need to tap on the share option on the top. Once you tap on share, you can see there are various platforms that you can share your WhatsApp link to. But the better option would be to choose an option such as messages or notes that is on your phone. So I'm just going to tap on the notes option, and it's going to open up this section on my notes where you can see this is the exact link of my WhatsApp. Now I can just highlight this link instead of other text, highlight the link and tap on copy, and now you can share this link on any platform or any section that you want. So that's how easily you can share your WhatsApp link. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.